Teachers often ask us, what's the best way to cycle between explore and explain instructional segments? While new STEMscopes Math teachers may want to use all of explore and then proceed to explain, there's actually a better way to do this. Each explore hands-on investigation is connected to the show what you know in explain. In fact, they are numbered together to make that easy. For example, explore 1 goes with show what you know part 1 in any given scope. The ideal way to teach is to chunk these up. That means facilitate the new content exploration in Explore 1 and then have your students try it out independently or in small groups with Show What You Know Part 1. Debrief, discuss, and move on then to Explore 2 and Show What You Know Part 2. This allows teachers to see if students are mastering content before moving on to new learning. Additional elements can be paired with this explore-explain cycle, such as the anchor charts and picture vocabulary, and those are great to use after the explores. This allows students to learn new content in digestible chunks in order to get the whole picture of the learning objective without feeling overwhelmed. Once all explore-explains are done, then use My Math Thoughts to reflect on the learning as a whole. Don't worry, the other elements in explain and subsequent instructional segments allow you to bring it all together and synthesize learning so students can understand the big picture.